Where am I? Let me out. Let me out now. Let me out. 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 Guys! How do we escape? We're supposed to do experiments on the streets all day. Don't touch me. Guys, I'm gonna shoot him. Wait, wrong hand. I'm gonna shoot him. Get off. I deleted him. No, don't. No, don't come any closer, or I'll kick. Hey, no, I kick. Ouch, my leg! He chopped it apart. Thank you very much. He's still alive. Probably dead. It's time to hack. It's time to make magnet. Time to wreak havoc. He slowly forgets shadows behind him. Take this. The ball pop. I'm helpless. What could I do? Guys, do you know what I can do? Like and subscribe so I can be saved. That won't work here, buddy. What was that? I just died. Breaking the house. What is that thing? I'm just watching. Oh, my TV is broken. Broken, so I can't help. Anything on the second floor? No. Don't come any closer. You die. No. Guys, run. Run. No, my toy. Bunny, move out of the way. No. Save me. Have a good run. Have a good run. Chainsaw Man is eating me. Yeah, run from Chainsaw Man. No, my two friends, Zach and Jack, just died. Now it's my job, Black, to win. No, you got me, but I can still win. Get this thing off of me. He's getting closer. No, don't stop me. No, guys, this is not child abuse. This could happen to any person, even a parent. And you guys would still not say that to me. I'm sorry, guys. Goodbye. It's done. What's that? Guys, the tables are breaking. Guys, it's breaking. What are so much things breaking? Huh? Guys! No, I'm not next. You can't make me be next. You're next. No, I'm not. You can't make me. You're next. Can't even survive a simple monster. That's how brain damage you guys have. Get this generator off me. Help me. It's crushing me. Get this thing off my way. Wait, no. No, you can't do this. My job is done here.